All right, guys, so Apex does not have boxes to type in when you have an assignment like this. So sometimes your practice assignments and every once in a while a quiz or a test will be formatted this way where you don't have a space to type. So this says, click the assignment icon for assignment details and guidance and submit your answers to teacher for grading. So what you're going to do with this is right here where it says practice, you can click that. And this is your assignment. So you can print that out if you would like to and send me a picture of it, or if you would rather type or you don't have a printer, what you can do is you're still going to print this. So right here, it's just kind of giving us all of the information. So we have the passage here. It says, what is the point of view of the passage? And then down here at the bottom, it gives us a space for our response. And it tells us to read it carefully, things like that. So we want to make sure that we're answering these questions about this passage. We can hit this print button. And right here, it'll either print this for us, or if we want to save it, instead of printing, this is what it would normally be set as, we can do save as PDF or save to Google Drive. And so you can save that, and then you can send it to me on an email or upload it to Google Drive. You can also just tell me what assignment this is. So for example, this is English 1.1.4. So if I wanted to answer these questions in a Google Doc, I could just open a brand new Google Doc. And the title of this Google Doc would be my name, and then English 1.1.4. If you don't put the title of the assignment in there, then I don't have a clue what I'm grading when you send it to me. So you've got to make sure that you put exactly what it's supposed to be, and it's always going to tell you there at the top. So this, you could just put 1.1.4 or 1.1.4 practice would be great also. And then you can type your answer here. You don't have to put the questions there or anything like that unless there are multiple questions. Then make sure you at least put like number 1 and then number 2, stuff like that. And then you're just going to email this to me or share it with me. So to do that, I would just click share. And then you can just type my name in there. Like that, and click done, and then that will be shared with me and I'll be able to grade that assignment for you.